this week is turning out to be a game changer for crypto. Congress is finally moving forward with 3 major bills that could redefine the industry. The Genius Act will regulate stable coins. The Clarity Act will define when a digital asset is a security or a commodity. And the Anti-CBDC Act could block the creation of a U.S. central bank digital currency. The Genius Act has already passed the Senate with bipartisan support and is expected to pass the House next. The other 2 bills are more complex and will take longer to move forward. But momentum is building. This level of regulatory progress could finally provide the clarity that big institutions have been waiting for. Bitcoin's price is already reacting, with banks, sovereign wealth funds, and corporations now entering the market. Demand is outpacing supply. This is why we're seeing prices push higher. And it could just be the beginning of a new bull run. Analysts are turning extremely bullish. Katie Stockton predicts Bitcoin could reach $135,000 based purely on technical analysis. Another expert believes we'll hit $150,000 as regulation and global adoption drive new demand. And the CEO of Bitwise is the most bullish of all, projecting Bitcoin to hit $200,000 before the end of this year. His reasoning? Institutional capital is finally entering the space. ETFs are buying. Over 125 public companies already hold Bitcoin. And out of 50,000 public companies in the world, we're still early. And it's not just Bitcoin. Ethereum recently surged past $3,300, and altcoin season might be around the corner. One meme coin that's trending hard right now is Manu, ticker symbol MU, built on Ethereum. It's inspired by a viral Shiba Inu with over 20 million followers across social platforms. The project already trades on major exchanges like MEXC, Gate.io, and Bitmart. With 100% liquidity burnt, no buy or sell tax, and the support of former SHIB community admins, this coin is gaining traction fast. 2025 is shaping up to be crypto's most defining year. Regulation is finally working for the industry, not against it. Institutions are entering, and the charts are pointing upward. Smash the like button, subscribe for daily crypto updates, and let me know your top altcoin pick in the comments below. Let's ride this wave together.